Hi, you guys. We're going to start with your activity book at the moment, okay? So I'm going to share your activity book. Now, remember, if we start with your activity book, everything's going to be in English, not in Spanish, okay? So we have the lesson number 3, household chores. Vocabulary, check the home chores. You do. Remember, it says you do, not another person. You do in your house. It says you do. Now, look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. What are they telling you? Okay, so I'm going to start with the, making a little bit downer. It says, remember, this is only an activity that people is marking. Wash the car. Okay, do you do that? If you do it, you have to mark it like this. This one, it's an example. If you don't do it, don't mark it. You have to make an X. But if you do it, remember, you have to mark it now. It doesn't say the number. It says wash car. Which one is it? Of course, it's number 18. Now, mop the floor. Which one is the mop the floor? Okay, I'm going to help you out with this. Mop the floor is this one. This is mop the floor. Okay, so if you do it, if you mop the floor, you have to mark it just like this. If you don't mark it. Don't mark it. Don't do it. So the next one, do the dishes. Which one is you do the dishes? Now, it's gonna be which one is the do the dishes? Do the dishes. This one is the do the dishes, okay? So these are vocabularies. I'm going to read it down and you're going to choose which one you do. Feed the dog. If they're telling you about feed the dog, it's complaining about you have to feed a dog. You have to look at the picture where the dog is. Okay. Clean the windows. Is it here in this place? Clean the windows. Paint the house. Well, probably nobody paints the house in this moment. If you don't doing it in this moment, don't mark it. Sweep the floor. Remember, this one is mop and this is one it's sweep. So, which one is it? Dust the house. Dust the house. I'm going to help you out in this one. Dust the house. Which one is it? Is this one. I'm going to mark it. Here one. This is one is dust the house. Now, the other one, remember, this is the mop the floor, feed the dog, okay, and yes, this one is, okay, this is one is sweep the floor, okay. So, we're going to continue. We have walk the door is different than feed. Okay, feed, it's you're giving him some food. This one is walk the dog. Iron the clothes. Cut the grass. Fold the laundry. Water the plants. Hang up the laundry. Vacuum the floor. Now, you have to choose which one of them. This one, could it be cut the grass? Okay, I guess it's cut the grass. The picture is not very good, so this one is cut the grass. This one is what? Water the plants. This one is wash the car. Clean the windows. Okay, so I'm gonna give a little bit higher. Walk the dog, sorry. This one could be, it would be vacuum the floor. Okay. Now, the other ones, could it be hang the vacuum? There's the paint. Okay. paint the house, iron the clothes, hanging the laundry, folder the clothes or the laundry, do the laundry, wash the dishes. So you have all of these ones in which each and one of them you have to mark it down. Now we're going to continue here. Other, what is it? Do you have another one? In making you a question. This is one it's only for you, okay? So you have to read this one. Do you like household chores? ¿Qué son los household chores? Son los deberes en la casa. Simplemente son los deberes de la casa. Mike is a college student. He's 18 and he lives with his parents in an apartment in LA. He's very happy about his life at home. He gets everything he wants. He doesn't do much. I don't think household chores are difficult or tiring. I just don't have time. I wake up early in the morning and get back home late in the evening. He says, my mom makes my breakfast and my evening meals. She also does the laundry and irons my clothes. I only make my bed and clean my room on Saturdays. I'm happy Mike lives at home. Mike's mother says. He is lazy. He doesn't help with the homework. But that's okay. We have a good relationship and we talk just like friends. Mike's father doesn't agree. Mike is a spoiler, but it isn't his fault. His mom does everything. This isn't a hotel, you know. So we have what? We have present. Oh, I'm going to use this one. We have what? Grandmas, negative present simple. You already know this one. Ustedes ya lo saben, ya lo vimos en lo que es en la lección anterior. Si tienen dudas de la lección anterior, observen, vayan al video de lo que vimos en la lección number 2, que es en la lección number 2. Tenemos lo que son los negative, presents y interrogative. Nada más es de ir a observarlo. Si tienen dudas, vayan a lo que es al video. Ahora bien, tienen que realizar de acuerdo a lo que se les indica aquí. Complete the sentence with the present simple of the correct form of a verb of the present. Tienen que realizarlo de nuevo, ¿ok? Ahora bien, si les están mencionando con el not, eso quiere decir que lo tienen que cambiar a ¿qué? A present, ¿ok? Aquí tienen otro not y otro not. Eso es lo que se tienen que realizar. Si tienen lo que es normal, recuerden, complete the sentence with the present simple of the correct form of the verb present. Eso quiere decir que los demás no van a cambiar. ¿Ok? Vamos con lo que sigue. Esto es simplemente actividad de lo que es el tema que vimos anteriormente. Now, aquí les están indicando, now write 3 sentences about chores you do at home and 3 chores you don't do. Okay? At home, I do the dishes. At home, I don't wash the car. Ahora bien, les están indicando que tienen que escribir que lo que realizan chores at home. ¿Qué es lo que van a hacer? Lo que las actividades de casa que realizan ustedes aquí en este es el example. Las que realizan ustedes afirmativo y las que no realizan en negative form. Ok. Vamos con la siguiente actividad. It says, put the word in the correct order to make sense. Watch the punctuation. Remember, it's already scrambled. You know the words, it's already scrambled. So correct them and remember, use it if it's necessary because if it doesn't have the punctuation, it's gonna be wrong. Okay, remember. Now, the next activity, write down What they do at home. Billy, what Billy's doing? What he's doing? Okay, so you have to write it down. Lucy and Lily. Who is Lucy and Lily? These are Lucy and Lily. Ted. What is Ted doing? Okay. Daniel. Daniel, what is he doing? Okay, so you have to make some sense in the lines. Now, Billy is the first one. So Billy is gonna be in this one. Okay. This line is gonna be Billy. It's because there's some mistake here. Billy goes here. Billy, what? What is he doing? What do you think he's doing? Now, Lily and Lucy, well, I'm sorry about that one. I just mixed up the words, but it doesn't mean it is not correctly. It's at Lucy and Lily. Lucy and Lily, what? Make a statement. Ted, what activity that he is doing? Daniel, what activity he is doing at home? Okay, so this one is going to be the lesson number, this is lesson number 3, household chores. Okay, so it doesn't make so much activity, so you have to only read it and write it down. Recuerden, solamente tienen que realizar las actividades que se está marcando. Ya se vio lo que hemos estado trabajando. Ya tienen lo que son los presents, simple, negative, affirmative y interrogative. Y en lo último que se tiene que realizar es la actividad que realizan las personas. Aquí está Scramble, tienen que ordenarlo. En esta parte, cada uno está realizando una actividad en casa. Tienes que hacer un enunciado utilizando los nombres y la actividad que realizan, como mencionan lo que es en la parte de arriba, las acciones. Ok, so, esto sería todo por esta lección. Okay. Y estaremos terminando lo que es la lección number 2. Have a great day, you guys. See you then.